Vlogmas day 24, it's Christmas Eve and we are in the kitchen going to be making eggnog and other stuff. So, yep, eggnog, that's the recipe. Exciting stuff. We got our, yum. How do you feel about this, Grandma? Do you like eggnog?
No.
You don't like eggnog? That's cool. I'm drinking some sparkling grape juice. She's wearing our Chiefs gear today. Supporting the team. Alright, so now we're gonna mix in the milk. We'll put the eggs in there and the sugar and it's just all wonderful. More milk going in there. Awesome. Yummy, look at that. How do you feel? Not happy about it? Okay, stirring up the eggnog. I don't know about this. That's cool. It's fun. I don't know how well it's gonna turn out, but you know, it's cool. I'm gonna try it. I think I've only ever tried eggnog like one other time when I was little, so I think I hated it. But I'm excited to try it again this year. Like, I really want to like it. I really want to like it. I don't know if I will, but I really want to. So we'll see what happens. And then once I finish the eggnog, I have to make these little, my hair's in my face. I have to make these little like pretzel treats. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm going to make bath salts. So now I'm gonna be making these little pretzel treats. And they're gonna have Hershey's Kisses and some M&Ms on top. So I'll show you guys how I make that. You can put the pretzels on like a cookie sheet and you can just like, you know, kind of move them around, make them. Now you're putting the Hershey's Kisses on top and you're just gonna do that with all of the pretzels that you have laid out. And then you're gonna put it in the oven and I'll show you what happens after I do all. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in the oven in a minute. And then I'm gonna put the M&Ms on top. And our eggnog is almost done. Almost there. It's taking forever. Sing it, Grandma. You can't. So I just put them in the oven and I put it on high and it broil for a little bit. So I just gotta keep my eye on it and it'll be done soon.
Does it say broil?
Yep.
Okay.
Broil high.
Yeah, how close is it? Okay.
Yeah, so it'll just take like a few minutes.
I think you better leave it open though.
No. I'll check it. I've done this before. I won't burn the house down, I promise. This is what they look like after we put all the M&Ms on them. They're so cute and Christmassy, and they taste really good. I can't wait to eat one. But they're kind of still hot right now, so I'm not gonna eat them right now. All right, now I'm gonna be making some peppermint bath salts. So, let's see here. I have, oops. I have all of my ingredients here. And I'm going to be putting them in these little jars. I normally put them in jars that have like a thing on top where you can put some like peppermints and stuff on top, but I couldn't find them this year, so I'm just using some jars. But that's okay. It's going to work out. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to get 2 cups of these salts. 2 cups of bath salts in each thing, and then I'm going to add red food coloring to one and green food coloring to one, and then one of them will have just like the pure mint and then one will have the peppermint. So I added the red food coloring and the peppermint oil to this one, and I added the green food coloring and the mint oil to this. I couldn't think of the word. And I also added sea salt to both of them. And now I'm putting them in this jar and I'm just kind of layering it. I'm doing red and then green and then red and then green. And I'll show you guys what it looks like and what the finished product looks like. So I did some green and some red and they smell really nice too. So
Are you gonna put the candy on top?
those are done. I don't have any way to like glue the candy on top, so I'll probably just like put some candy with it. I don't know. But yeah. So we are making gingerbread houses. Oh, professional vlogger over here. She's like, I have to be on camera, blah blah blah. So what do you guys think of my hair? Yep, it's pretty cute. And if you like my lips, they're a little bit
And massage
bold-ish. Well, that sounded weird. I'm like sitting here talking, then I hear you have to massage this for one. Ew.
And need it.
Need it. Get in there. Go do that.
We need it.
Fun. Why isn't Grandma helping?
She's gonna be right back.
She doesn't
This one's
wanna
mine.
help,
Well,
though.
she has to get over herself.
She's with you.
Well, she has to help because I'm going to be filming a lot. How do you feel
So
about
open
this?
yours and need
How do you feel about this experience?
I'm in need and
I
massage
feel pretty
this.
excited, but look. Cute!
Cuteness?
Do this!
No,
No.
it's already ours. We
It's-
already spent the money.
It belongs to me.
No, it belongs to us.
No, because I'm the one that spent the money to get the
Give
gift
you the
card.
money.
Grandma.
Yeah,
Got
it's
ran
actually,
over
it's
by
actually
Reindeer.
ours. It's actually ours because Grandma said we had to split it.
Oh my gosh. Well, Grandma always thinks I have to split everything with everybody. So,
She's just messing.
I am just playing. I'm vlogging right now. Oh my gosh. Are you gonna vlog me too? A vlog within a vlog?
How's that?
Hey!
You want me to vlog you? Are you gonna put it in this vlog?
You're
Rachel,
sure?
please look, Grammy's vlogging.
That's cute.
Oh wait, I need to switch my card if I'm gonna do this.
A vlog within a vlog.
Hang on.
Grammy is vlogging. Do you have a vlog?
I'm a blog.
What's your channel name? I'll link it down below.
Goofball.
Goofball. Alright guys, make sure you go check out my grandma. Her channel name will be down below.
Ball.
Goofball.
Okay, if I'm gonna vlog, I have to have 16.
If you touch
So,
my gingerbread house, I will beat you.
so mom's like building this gingerbread house and she's getting kind of
Are you gonna
intense
build
about
ours
it.
too?
No, it's a competition.
Oh my gosh, this is just not happening for me.
Want to get the super glue?
The KP. Oh, my wall fell down. Well, this is stupid. Can't even build a stupid house.
Try doing it the way you're supposed to on the box.
I don't even know.
Right.
What is-
You don't even know how to use an icing bag.
Grandma, how do you feel about life right now? Oh, my house. It died.
And Grandma thought it was
sad.
hysterical.
Grandma, how do you feel about life?
How on
My
earth
house
do you
just
get
fell.
this?
I think it sucks.
Mom's house is looking pretty good. Pretty good.
This is gonna pop.
Bath
I'm gonna
salts are
cry.
done, and then Grandma added the little peppermints on top. Or not the peppermints, the what do you call them?
Peppermints.
Yeah, peppermints. And then we got some
Rach, you
candy.
You suck.
I suck. You're the one that's trying to put it together now. You suck.
Well, should I?
Mom's like fancy. She
Mom,
thinks
would you
she's like
please
a
help
chef or
us?
something.
Because this is not working for us, please.
Sorry, I'm trying to get that $50 cash card.
Oh my gosh. It's not all about money. Do you know nothing about the Christmas season? You suck. Guys, look, it snowed outside. It's nasty. How do you feel about the snow, Graham?
I hate it.
Me too.
Rach, go get
Let's run away.
Rach, go get a toothpick.
I don't know where the toothpicks are.
You're hitting my house.
Huh?
You're hitting her house. You're trying to tear her house down.
I'm not.
We'll huff and we'll puff and we'll blow your house down.
Are you gonna say something? Don't let go of it, you idiot!
Excuse me. Mom said something.
Look at her house and Mom's face and her house and Grandma, who's the judge of this cupcake. No, this is a gingerbread.
Gingerbread.
I said
floor.
something about
The winner
cupcakes.
gets a $50 gift
No,
card.
they don't. You're using peanut butter because the icing is not sticking.
We didn't use peanut butter, so we didn't cheat.
Extra 10 points.
Yep.
I
Get the
don't-
$50 gift card.
No.
Guys,
You don't get it?
we just had an earthquake. There was an earthquake. Tell us about the earthquake, Mom.
It was horrible. Like,
Grandpa!
Stop. You're gonna make it go.
Remember that on Friday?
Oh, I scared the
Where he's like, pass the milk.
Grandpa, pass the milk.
Finally, he shakes the table, and the grandpa goes, earthquake!
And he runs out of the house. It's hilarious. This is our gingerbread house. So we finished the gingerbread house, and Sojourner went a little crazy with the icing. So apparently there was a big snowstorm, and Mom and Dad's gingerbread house kind of collapsed in the earthquake.
It looks beautiful, though.